Hello, everyone. So, I want to walk you through what we're doing in code this week. You guys did a really nice job getting into Code HS last week and doing the introductory lesson to virtual reality. That's what we're going to be doing again, is working through Code HS. The lesson this week is Chapter 1.2, I guess you would call it, and it is your chance to start your first VR coding. So I want to walk you through what you're going to be doing. So when you are in your assignments, next week's assignment looks like this. You want to open up the assignment that is here, this document. Open the file. Okay. And this is what it looks like. It's very similar to last week's format. So the first three questions are going to be basically warm-up questions, things that are going to get you thinking. And then you're going to need to take some notes as you work through the videos and the lessons that are on Code HS. I've asked you to use red or green font, blue, really any color other than black will work as you are recording your answers here. So you want to go ahead and choose a different color font and write your answers here. So all of these things that are right here, attributes, changing position, setting position, etc., you're going to take notes on. Once you get towards the end, you're going to do a little quiz after each video. There are two different separate videos. There's going to be spheres in an A-frame, and there's going to be creating an A-frame world. So you're going to do both of those. Once you get to 1.27, 0.8, 0.9, 0.10, 0.11, you're going to be actually coding in those different situations or problems that you need to code. The very last one, 1.212, this is worth 10 points. You have to create a scene, and you're going to need to take a screenshot of that scene and upload it into this document that is here. So I want to take you into Code HS. It looks like this. You've already done 1.1, so you're going to get into 1.2. This is what I'm talking about. You're going to see there's a video, there's like a pre-quiz, and then there are examples and exercises for you to do. Then another video, a quiz, and then example exercises for you to do. The last one right here that says challenge 1.212, that is where you're going to go in and you're going to create an actual scene by coding here in A-frame. You'll need to take a picture of this, of your screen, and upload that into the Word document as your final part of that grade. Now, just as you're looking at this platform, I don't know how much you were playing around last week in it, but you're going to see here's the place that runs code. If you forget what the assignment is, you can click this tab right here that says assignments, and it explains. So it says you know what to do to make a scene. The example shows a soccer field. You can make whatever you want. Your masterpiece must have at least 2 planes and 2 spheres. Each object's position, color, and size should be specified. Use at least 3 different colors and positions. So that's always available no matter which of the chapter lessons you're in. That assignment tab is always there. There's also this tab called Docs. In the video, she's going to walk you through what's available in Docs, but you're going to see it's basically just a lot of different resources for you. Something that might specifically come into play for this lesson are these color names and hex codes and color pickers. You might want to use those. But there's also other bits of information that we're learning along the way, like what the A-frame world is, moving in an A-frame, that XY coordinate, which is this, remember this? That's in this lesson as well, and so on and so forth. So lots of information. I'm not going to grade you here in this platform. I don't have a pro account on this platform, so that's why I want you to take a screenshot of your screen, and that's what I will grade. Okay, so that's kind of your lesson in a nutshell for the week. And then the last thing you're going to need to do is there will be a discussion question as sort of your cool down for the lesson. That's actually written in the document itself. So if you look, wrap up, you'll see that that is there. And so you have a discussion question that you need to answer. If you have any trouble at any time, Monday through Friday, I'm available from 1 to 4 p.m. But really, any time of the day, I have my computer open most of the day. So if you need to email me, billy.dollins@browardschools.com, the inbox of Canvas, or on Remind, any of those ways are perfect ways to reach me. If you need me to walk you through anything, please let me know. Don't wait until the very last minute on Friday. I hope you're enjoying the VR experience and this new way to program. I think it's pretty cool. I'm doing it along with you. And it's just something kind of different from what we were doing on code.org, which makes it, I think, a little fun. So enjoy this lesson, and I'll see you in the virtual world. Bye.